Hello everyone, it's me, PeyTheFancyCat, and today we're gonna play WillYouPressTheButton.com. Woohoo! Okay. You will be teleported to a universe where people fight each other with monsters for fame and money. You will be 10 years old your whole life. I mean, pretty much already 10 years old, so why not? Pretty snazzy little 10-year-old, if I do say so myself. 46 people press the button. Why wouldn't you? Like, we're all 10-year-olds inside. You can watch any TV show / film / listen to any song whenever you want a device, but the volume will always be really quiet and you can't have subtitles. I mean, I already keep my volume pretty low, like 2 to 3, because I'm always up on it like 3 a.m. And people will wake up if I had it any louder than that. Not really. And I get paranoid. 38 people press the button. Why? All your dreams come true, but so do your nightmares. That's really conflicting. No. 46 people press the button. God, I always vote with the crowd. And there's a train in the background at 1 a.m. You become the most attractive person on Earth. You change sex in the process. I mean, I'm perfectly fine with that. $62 people press this button. I mean, oh no. You become invisible every time you want. Every time you do so, a baby dies. I mean, I don't have to go invisible. I mean, if I really need it in a situation, would the baby sacrifice be worth it? Oh God. Would I kill a baby for my own personal gain? No. Babies are too good. 52 people press the button? Oh. No. I'm gonna read that one. It's all weird and perverted. Such a pervy question. You become a dictator of any country you choose. Bronies take over the world. Oh God. There's no winning in this one. Unless they're like the nice bronies that like just kind of exist and just like the show for the show, not the ponies. God, I'm even gonna try to rationalize not saying it because I still not say it. Why are these all like 50-50 split? Well, I suppose it's good if they're 50-50 split. You will never suffer poverty and hunger, and you will have a happy marriage with beloved person in a nice home. You will never be famous nor very wealthy. You can't cheat, and you have to work 8 hours a day besides weekends. I mean, I want to become famous. But that will never happen. R.I.P. my hopes and dreams. But I want him to become famous for like having the most animals ever. Imagine if I had literally like 200 cats. And they were all happy cats, and I'd have like 3 million hermit crabs. Yes. Hermit crabs are beautiful. And so are cats. Cat, don't look at me like that. You can bring back one loved one from the dead. You will never get to see or talk to them. I mean, honestly, in my opinion, if someone's dead, it's for a reason. Oh God, that sounded wrong, girl. That sounded a lot worse than I intended it to. Like, It just seems wrong to bring someone back after they've died. Imagine, like, if you died, but you had to, like, restable in a human life after literally crawling out of the grave. Jesus. You gain the powers to manipulate small fires. Everyone's worst fear is fire. They aren't going to be impressed. I mean, I could light all the candles ever. But then everyone's greatest fear would be candles, so I don't think, well, the greatest fear would be fire, so I don't think there would be many candles. I could make candles. I'd make candles. Gonna do it. What can you lose? Just don't make little small fires in front of people, and you win. You can attract any person of the opposite gender you want. It robs them of their voluntary choice to be with you. No. "55 people press the button? Why?" Some people confuse me. Jesus. My computer is so slow. You will get $100,000 a day. You can have sex with the opposite sex. Press the button. Cute. You are able to travel anywhere in the world at any time. Every time you use the ability, someone you knew closely dies. You don't have to use the ability, it would just be kind of there if you ever needed to use it. It doesn't say someone you like that's close, someone you know. So if you spend all your time trying to get to know all these like really, really neat people, you could just like teleport to random places while traveling. You can see the future, but you have no control over what you see. Oh. Morbid curiosity. Cat, don't meow at me like that. 75 people have pressed the button. Curiosity gets the better of people. You can redesign yourself as you like and start your life over again with all your current knowledge. There is a 1 + n% chance where n equals age you will die every year in a gruesome manner. Wait. There's a 1 and 13% chance you will die every year in a gruesome manner. So the chances of you getting really over 50, it's 50-50. Ooh, knowing my luck, I'd probably die like after the first year. 50 people pressed the button while 50 didn't. Oh geez, that's like perfect split. You can have everything that you have ever desired. You have to kill your mother. Ooh. No. Can't do it. I don't think I could actually kill something. Except for flies. I could kill all the flies, honestly. Flies deserve death. Jeez, that sounded violent. It's true. Because I like to have fresh fruit in my hermit crab cage. So if like flies get in the house, it's like, oh, it's bad. And I accidentally skipped past that one. Jesus. Hashtag skill. You get to have a solo on Broadway. You have a bad cold that negatively affects your voice. I can't sing anyway. So no. That would just be bad. You have access to any reading material at your fingertips. You're dyslexic. If you have access to that, you could I don't know. I mean, I do it. You can read, write, and speak in any language. No one wants to read or listen to you. Listen to what you have to say, unless you speak in the language you were originally taught. I mean, there's no negatives that can really affect you. You can just not speak in that other languages, but you could listen and hear everyone, even if they were speaking in this made up language, because it's every language, even if it's made up. So the good thing, they're all cool and have this secret language, and you can just be like, I hear you, and they're like, poop. You will be a remembered hero and a legendary sword master. You will die a slow, painful, but heroic death. Who wants to be a hero and a legendary swords master when you can own a cat? Isn't that right? And a bunch of hermit crabs. And fish, and sharks, and betta fish, and a dog. You see, animals are better than heroic and being remembered. It needs to be remembered when you can have a pet. You'll be recognized as the world's best composer in the history of mankind. One Direction is your boss. Well, One Direction did get pretty famous, so they have to be doing something right, even if I don't agree with them directly. And I can always quit. I won't be recognized, but I can quit. I think. I don't know. You acquire all of the power/abilities of the superhero you choose. You also put everyone you love and care for in severe risk of danger and death. Well, I wrote that wrong, but same difference. Does that include my cat, and my hermit crabs, and the fish, and all my other animals that are crammed into my small house? No. What if I had the ability to speak to animals, though? Is there even a superhero that can do that? Sorry, kitty. This will be the last one. The world will be a perfect place with tolerance towards other people and love everywhere. You will spend 1 year as a nun to get there. I mean, happiness for everyone, lots of love, acceptance, and all it would take is 1 year out of your life. Is that even a question? Everyone could be happy. All you have to do is waste 1 year of your life as a nun. I do it. Well, anyway, that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe.